Hello, yes, very good morning. So today my topic is about the focal chord of the parabola. Okay, so what is the length of the focal chord? Of course, so suppose PSQ is a focal chord. Focal chord means the chord which is passing through the focus, which is called focal chord. So I am going to finding the conditions about the focal chord. What is the length of the focal chord? What is the relation between the two ends? Suppose it is T1 and T2 which are in parametric form. What is the relation between T1 and T2? If PSQ is a focal chord whose ends are T1 and T2, what is the relation between them? And suppose if this focal chord is making an angle alpha with the axis of the parabola, I mean x axis, in that case what is the length of the focal chord? Okay, so from the today class we are going to discussing completely about that focal chord. Okay, yes, come on, let us see. Suppose the first point is a t1 square 2a t1 and the second point is a t2 square 2a t2, right? So if the ends of the focal chord are a t1 square 2a t1, a t2 square 2a t2. Right, yes, from the diagram it is very clearly PSQ. What are PSQ? They are collinear points. Okay, they are collinear points. So collinear points means you can say, so it is a slope of SP is equals to and slope of SQ. Slope of SP equals to slope of SQ. Why? Because the 3 points are collinear points. Okay, yes, come on. So please take the slope which is so 2a t1 by, okay, yes, 2a t1 by a of t1 square minus 1 equals to slope of SQ. Same like this we can get 2a t2 by a of t2 square minus 1. Okay, yes, both sides 2a 2a get cancelled, a get cancelled. Okay, yes, come on. So we can get this one T1 of T2 square minus 1 is T2 of T1 square minus 1. Okay, yes, come on. So totally it is T1 into T2 square minus T1 is T1 square into T2 minus T2. Okay, right. Yes, from this one please take out common. So please send this one. This one is the T1 T2, take out the T1 T2 column. From this one I can write to T2 minus T1, okay, plus T2 minus T1 is equals to 0. Yes, all the terms sent left side. Then what can you get? T2 minus T1 taken out common. So T2 minus T1 taken out common. Then what is the remaining term is T1 into T2 plus 1 is equals to 0. Yes, the product of two factors equals 0. Here first one is 0 or second one is 0. Here this should be not equals to 0. Why? Because if the first factor is equals to 0, then we can get a T1 is equals to T2, right or not? But T1 T2 are two different points. If it is equals to 0, T1 is equals to T2. So which is wrong? Okay, we cannot equate this one. So what is that? So T1 into T2 plus 1 is equals to 0. That means T1 into T2 is equals to minus 1. Very important relation. If T1 T2 are the ends of the focal chord, right? If T1 T2 are the ends of the focal chord, then what is the relation between T1 and T2 is T1 into T2 is equals to minus 1. Okay, yes, come on. So please make a note. We will discuss some more points about the focal chord. Okay, so just now we discussed if PSQ is a focal chord, what is the relation between them? T1 into T2 equals to minus 1. Okay, then how can I write the second point is, then the second point can be written as, so here clearly T2 can be written as minus 1 by T1, right? T2 value can be written as minus 1 by T1. Then the point Q, it can be written as, the point Q is, so a T2 square, this is a by T1 square, right? And 2a T1, 2a T2, this is minus 2a by T1. Okay, the second point also in terms of T1. Okay, yes. Now what I am going to finding is the length of the focal chord. What is the length of PQ? Right, I am going to find this one. What is the length of focal chord? Right, so let us see. So for the parabola, y square is equals to 4ax. So y axis is the tangent at the vertex, right? It is the y axis which is the tangent at the vertex. So and this is the equation of the directrix. Okay, so vertex is 0 0 and its length is a and its length is a, and this is x plus a is equals 0, right? And x plus a, which is the equation of the directrix. Now I am going to finding the length of PQ, like focal chord PQ, right? Yes, now it is very clearly PQ length. PQ length can I write? PQ length can be written as it is SP plus SQ, right? It is SP plus SQ, total to gives the PQ length. Okay, as per the definition of the parabola, SP is equals to PM. SP is equals to PM. What is PM? Means which is the perpendicular distance from the point to this, the equation of the directrix. And of course here also same like this. So SQ is equals to QN, can I write like this? SQ is equals to QN. Okay, so SP can I write as PM, SQ is QN. Yes, come on, it is very simple. So what is the length of this one? This point is, this length is already A. Okay, this length is already how much? Its length is, so 1.2 y axis, its distance is x coordinate. So which is A T1 square and its length is already A. So PM length is A T1 square plus A plus QN length. QN length here also same like this. Okay, so this length is x coordinate of Q. What is x coordinate of Q? Which is A by T1 square. Okay, and plus its length is A. Okay, yes, very simple. Which is A plus A, which is 2A, right? 2A plus A of T1 square plus 1 by T1 square. Okay, yes, totally please take out the common A of, please take out the A common. So which is T1 square plus 1 by T1 square plus 2. T1 square plus 1 by T1 square plus 2. Yes, what do you say? It is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So which is A of T1 plus 1 by T1 whole square. Okay, yes. So what do you say? The length of the focal chord. So whose ends are A T1 square 2A T1, A T2 square 2A T2. Of course T2 also in terms of T1 by using our relation T1 T2 is equals to -1. Then so what is the length of the focal chord? Is A of T1 plus 1 by T1 whole square, or simply we can say A of T plus 1 by T whole square. Okay, so very important thing, this is the length of the focal chord which is drawn at the point T. Okay, yes, come on students, make a note. We will discuss one more point about the focal chord. Okay, so the next thing is the, if PSQ is a focal chord, okay, if PSQ is a focal chord and L dash, what is L dash? Which is the latus rectum whose length is 4A, whose length is 4A, then what is the relation between the three line segments? What are? So which is SP, SL and SQ. These three lengths SP, SL and SQ. So these three lengths which are in HP, which are in always harmonic progression, that is 1 by SP plus 1 by SQ is equals to 2 by SL. We are going to prove that one. Okay, 1 by SP plus 1 by SQ is 2 by SL. Yes, so come on, yes, let us see. So first of all I am going to find what is the length of SP. Let us take its length is L1, its length is L2. Okay, yes, and already we know if AT square 2AT is the one end of the focal chord and the second end is A by T square and minus 2A by T. Am I right? Okay, now I am going to finding the SP, SQ, okay, and substituting here. So whether they are in HP or not, let us check. Okay, I am going to prove this one. So L1 is nothing but SP. L1 is nothing but SP. Okay, so just now we proved this one. Sp is the a t1 square plus a. Sp is the a t square plus a, that is a of t square plus 1. Just now we proved this one. Okay, length of the focal chord while finding the length of the focal chord. Yes, similarly L2 is s cube, which is a by t square plus a, that means a of 1 by t square plus a, 1 by t square plus 1, that means a of 1 plus t square by t square. Right or not? Yes, come on, please substitute in this case. 1 by sp, 1 by sp, this is 1 by, right, 1 by a of t square plus 1 plus 1 by s cube, 1 by s cube. So, what you get? 1 by s cube means, so it is t square by a of 1 plus t square. Okay, yes. So, in that case, so numerator is 1 plus t square by denominator is a of 1 plus t square, which is 1 by a. Okay, which is 1 by a. Am I right or not? 1 by a. Yeah. So this is 1 by sp plus 1 by sq is 1 by a. But what is 2 by sl? What is the meaning of sl? Actually, the same thing can be written as 2 by. Okay. So can I write as 2 by 2a? 1 by a means nothing but 2 by 2a. So, which is nothing but 2 by, what is 2a? Actually, length of latus rectum is 4a, right? What is 2a? Semi-latus rectum, which is SL or SL dash. So, which is SL, nothing but semi-latus rectum, right? So, very important thing, what is that? If PSQ is a focal chord and L dash is the latus rectum, then the three lengths, what are the three lengths? SP, SL and SQ, SP, SL and SQ, which are in always harmonic progression. Okay, very important point in the objective point of view. Yes, come on, please make a note. Okay, yeah, the next thing is, if PSQ is a focal chord, makes an angle alpha with the positive direction of x axis. Okay. So, in that case, what is the length of PQ? In terms of alpha, we are going to find, whose ends are AT1 square to AT1 and AT2 square to AT2. What is this? So, if the focal chord makes an angle alpha whose inclination is alpha, then what is the length of PQ? Actually, so what is the length of PQ? Okay, yes, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Already we discussed about this one. This we can get a of t1 minus t2 whole square. By simplifying this, actually distance between the 2 points PQ is a of t2 minus t1 whole square. Yes, which can be written as a of a minus b whole square, which can be a plus b whole square minus 4ab t1 t2. Okay, this is a of t1 plus t2 whole square, and actually if PQ is a focal chord, already we discussed just now, t1 into t2 is minus 1. If it is a focal chord, what is the relation between t1 and t2 is minus 1, and it becomes plus 4. Okay. So, this is actually length of focal chord PQ, but we are going to find in terms of alpha. Okay. Yes, let us see. This is actually PQ lengths. Yes, to take as equation 1. Okay. So, first of all, if the focal chord makes an angle alpha, okay, so what is the tan alpha is called? Tan alpha is nothing but slope of PQ, right? Come on, please find out the slope of PQ, which is 2a of t2 minus t1, yes, y2 minus y1 by a of t2 square minus t1 square. So, which is 2 by t2 plus t1 is tan alpha, right, at 2 by t2 plus t1. So, what is t2 plus t1 is? So, then t1 plus t2 is 2 by tan alpha, which is 2 cot alpha. Yes, come on. So, please substitute this t1 plus t2 value in that case. Then what is the length of PQ in that case? A of t1 plus t2 whole square, which is 4 cot square alpha, 4 cot square alpha plus 4. Yes, so please take out 4 common and a is there. So, which is cot square alpha plus 1, which is 4a of 1 plus cot square alpha is nothing but cosecant square alpha. This is length of PQ. Okay. Yes. So what is this finally? If PSQ is a focal chord, okay, which makes an angle alpha with the positive direction of x axis, of course, which is called inclination, then what is the length of PQ in terms of alpha, which is 4a cosecant square alpha. So 4a, which is length of latus rectum. Okay. Okay students, this is about the total conditions of that focal chord. Okay. So please share to your students and your friends. So be ready for the next coming video. That is one of the very important from the parabola, which is reflection property in the parabola. Okay. Yes, so be ready for the next video. Until then, bye bye.